everyone, welcome back to the channel. This printer is Epson ECOTANK ET-4950. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this printer to your computer with a USB cable, hardwired. This printer is currently connected with the laptop via wireless network. We need to disconnect the wireless network. So go to the printer settings, select the settings, then scroll down all the way to restore default settings. Select restore default settings, then select network settings, restore network settings to default, then select yes, default, restored. Then if you go back to the front, then the network, the Wi-Fi network will be off. It will show you that the printer is no longer connected to wireless network. You will see that the Wi-Fi network is cancelled. It will show you blank. So if you connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, you will see a blue light, a blue color highlighting on the Wi-Fi image or icon, but it's currently in blank. So the printer is no longer connected to wireless network. Now to connect this printer and computer, go at the back, take this part of the cable, hook it up to this port, USB port. Then take the other end of the cable, connect it to the laptop, and you will hear a tune. The next thing to do is you need to go to your laptop settings, go to the laptop settings, go to printers and scanners, then add a device. Once you add the device, then you wait for the printer to refresh, finish. Then scroll down from the list and look for Epson ECOTANK series copy 1. Select on it. It's showing us idle. Print test page. Printing complete. Window printer test page. You have correctly installed your Epson ECOTANK 4950 series on laptop. It will show you the laptop name, color support, yes, port name USB 037, data raw. So this is how to connect this printer and your laptop together using a USB cable and print out a test page. Thank you very much indeed.